Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to distress one of the arches that we offer at buildacross.com. I'm using a 1-inch foam brush and I'm using a really dark brown on almost espresso. It's so brown it's almost black. I want to make sure I go around all of the edges inside the cutout and on the outside. And I'm gonna just continue to add paint as I go along. I don't like to start out with too much paint or I'll mess it up. So I'm gonna kind of fast forward through the process of me distressing it and kind of show you more of where I'm trying to go with it. It really depends on how distressed you want your arch or whatever you're working on. I did this one pretty heavy. So as you can see, I've got a lot of the brown paint on it. Now I'm going to go over all of the top of the arch with a coarse grit sandpaper, and it just kind of smooths it out and gives it more of a, I don't know, softer look. As I'm doing this, it's scratching off some of the brown so the white's popping through a little bit more, and it also gives it a little bit more of a muted color tone. And that's it, guys. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Like and share.